Hello and welcome to today's class. Today our goal is to learn how to use simple past in interrogative with question words. As we previously said, we use simple past to talk about a specific time in the past, a past fact, an action that is finished, or a past habit. Remember that many verbs in English are irregular verbs. How do we form a question using a question word? When we use a question word and we want to use simple past, the first element is the question word, the auxiliary did, the subject, the verb in simple form, and the complement, in this case, a time expression. Remember the question words in English are used depending on the specific information we want to discover. We can have who, where, when, why, what, how, which, how many, or how often. The time expressions for simple past, remember that include combinations with last, ago, or yesterday. Let's practice questions using simple past. Did the Ritz stay at home last Christmas? No, they didn't stay at home last Christmas. Where did they go last Christmas? They went to Cancun. Did they go to school last week? Yes, they went to school last week. Why did they go to school? They went to school because they had a test. Did they go to the museum last Wednesday? Yes, they went to the museum. What did they do at the museum? They saw the dinosaurs at the museum. Did they go to McDonald's last night? No, they didn't go to McDonald's last night. Where did they go last night? They went to the supermarket. Remember, when we're using question words and the auxiliary did, the first element is my question word, the auxiliary did, the subject, the verb, and the complement. Don't forget to include the question words. Thank you very much for watching.